Hi, I'm Dedra Hughes with Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group.
And I'm Sarah Maxwell with the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group.
And we're here today to introduce you to 4022 Conway Circle. I've been asked many times in my 22 years of real estate, what is the most popular floor plan that you sell? Well, folks, this is it. It's an open floor plan. You walk right in, right into the great room, the dining area, the kitchen, and then what's really special that folks love about this plan is there's a room right off the kitchen that can serve as a playroom or an office. But Sarah, I want to hear what's special to you about this property.
This house has been painted inside and out and all new flooring, not to mention the large lot and big workshop in the back.
Let's just let folks get started with the video and see it for themselves.